In this video, we will be looking at how to buy gift cards from Temu and seeing if this is something that they do offer and if it's possible to actually buy a gift card. Now, at the time of recording, as you can see, I'm here on Temu.com. I have had a look around the site, but it doesn't look like they've currently got the option where they offer physical digital gift cards. So to further support this, what I did do is get into contact with their customer service, and I basically asked to sell gift cards. Now, I did get a message back saying currently we do not sell Temu credit or gift cards. What you can do is get Temu credit by joining their promos and referral programs. However, at the time of recording, they don't currently offer physical or digital gift cards. So if you did want to gift someone some credit that they can use on Temu, of course the only way to do this would be directly to give them money rather than a gift card, because as mentioned at the time of recording, currently Temu do not sell credits or gift cards. Hopefully this is something that would be added in the future. Due to the popularity of Temu, I could personally see this happening. But for now, if you do want to get around this, the only way you can do it really is to actually give someone money, which they can use to go onto Temu and purchase items. So I hope that cleared things up for you on whoever you was wondering if you could buy gift cards from Temu. And with that being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.